Welcome to EduRev.
Hello everyone, I am Anil Kumar. I have done my MBA from Simbass Institute of Business Management, Pune. For the last 18 years, I have been training students for CAT, XAT, and other MBA entrance examination. Hundreds of my students have qualified into top B schools like IAMS, XLRI, SPGen, FMS, and many more. Today, we continue with number series part 3. In my last two lectures, we learned all the concept regarding number series. Today, we'll be solving question on number series. Now, any question that you can expect in an examination would be broadly from these 8 number series that we have learned in previous two lectures. Fine. You need to revise all this such that you are able to solve the question very easily. Now, first type of question that comes are missing number series. So today we'll be solving question only on missing number series. First question says find the next term 7, 15, 32, 67, 138 and the next term. Now guys, I advise you whenever you get a question, pause the video, try to solve it, and then if you are unable to crack, then look for the solution which is given in the next slide. Now guys, let us try to look for a pattern. If I say 715, we can say either it is difference is 8, but here the difference is 17. Here difference is 35. So there is no pattern that we are observing. So let's see how to solve this question. Try to find out some pattern, the given set of numbers. We observe resume 715, 7 twos are 14, plus 1 is 15. 7 into 2 is 14, plus 1 we get 15. 15 twos are 30 and plus 2 is 32. The next term should be ideally 32 into 2 plus 3. 32 twos are 64 plus 3 is 67, which we are observing. The number is given there. Hence, the pattern is into 2 plus natural numbers starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Hence, next term was 67 twos are 134 plus 4 is 138. Hence, our next term would be 138 into 2, which comes out to be 276. 276 plus 5 gives me 281. Hence, 281 is the correct answer, which was option B. Hence, we'll mark option B. Fine, guys? Now, one more question. 18, 20, 17, 21, 16, 22. Let us find some pattern. So here we are observing it is plus 2. Then we are observing minus 3. Then again plus 4, minus 5, plus 6. We are getting a pattern. Plus 2, minus 3, plus 4, minus 5, plus 6. Next would be minus 7. Fine, guys? So we got the pattern. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 minus 5 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. Hence, next term should be 22 minus 7, which will give me 15. Hence, 15 should be the next term, which is option C. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Find the third question. Find the next term 25, 30, 37, 48, 61. Again, it said if nothing is tracking, at least find the difference. Here we are finding the difference as 5. Here the difference is 7. Here the difference is 11. Here the difference is 13. Now, can we find some relationship in these differences? These are not consecutive odd numbers because we are missing 9. So I cannot say difference are odd numbers, but I am observing all these numbers are prime numbers. Fine. If you are clear with prime numbers from 1 to 100, then many question will you will start striking. So the next prime number is 17. So we need to add 17 to 61, which will give me 78. Hence option A. Fine. I'm given the solution. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. 37 plus 11 is 48. And 48 plus 13 is 61. The next term should be 61 plus 17, that is 78. Hence option A is the correct answer. Fine, guys. So a number series would be strong when your basics math is strong. That means prime numbers, perfect squares, perfect cubes, tables. Fine. You should have affinity for numbers. Then the moment you start seeing numbers, you'll find some pattern being followed. Now, the fourth question. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120. So what is the next number? Think, guys. Pause the video and think. Fine. What we are observing now here, the difference is 6, the difference is 18. So difference, we cannot move with difference. Now 1 cube minus 1 gives me 0. 2 cube is 8 minus 2 gives me 6. 3 cube minus 3. 27 minus 3 is 24, which is there. 4 cube minus 4 is 64 minus 4, 60. 5 cube minus 5 is 125 minus 5, 120. So we got the pattern. This is cube minus the number of which I am finding the cube. Fine. Hence, the next term would be 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. 216 minus 6, which is 210. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Let's see the pattern. 1 cube minus 1 is 0. 2 cube minus 2 is 6. 3 cube minus 3 is 24. 4 cube minus 4 is 60. And 5 cube minus 5 is 120. Next term would be 6 cube minus 6, which is 210. Guys, as I said you earlier as well, you need to mug up cubes. Fine. For example, 8 cube, it should be on the tip of your tongue, 512. Fine, 11 cube, 1331. Fine, 9 cube, 729. You need to mug up these. Then only you'll be able to solve number series within the stipulated time. Let us move to the next question. 3, 10, 21, 36, 55. Now, are we able to observe something? All of you pause and think. Here the difference is 7. Next difference is 11. Next difference is 15. We are getting pattern differences. Arithmetic series with a common difference of 4. Next will be 19. We are observing 36 plus 19 is 55. Next should be 23. 55 plus 23 is 78. Hence option B. Let's see the pattern. 3 plus 7. Now 10 plus 11. We are observing the numbers that we are adding. They are in AP series, starting with 7 and a common difference of 4. Hence 55 plus after 19, the next arithmetic term would be 23. 55 plus 23 is 78. Hence 78 is the next missing term. This is option B. Hence option B is the correct answer. Now question 6. Find the missing term. Lot many terms are given to you. Think. 1, 0, 3, 2, 5, question mark, 7, 12, 9, 20. Now, there's another where we're not asking the last term, we're asking a number somewhere in between. Find. Now, we can observe 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We are getting alternate series. Two series are there, I believe. So here it is 0, 2, question mark, 12, 20. Difference is 2. Here the difference is, I don't know, but here the difference is 8. So here if the difference is 4, and the next difference is 6. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. So ideally this question mark should be 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Two series is given to you. Fine. So two series are given to you. First series of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And second series having a difference between consuming terms as even numbers 0, 2, 6. I said this would be 6, 12, 20. Fine. Hence the missing term is 6, which is option C. Hence mark option C. Fine, guys. Hope now you are getting the pulse of such type of questions. Fine. Now question 7. 99, 91, 75, question mark, 51, 43, 27. Now we need to understand what type of series is this. Most common, let us find the difference. Here difference is 8. Here difference is 16. Again here difference is 8. Here difference is 16. So we are observing 8, 16. Here difference would be 8 and the next difference would be 16. What is 75 minus 8? That is 67, and 67 minus 16 gives me 51. That is the series, a difference of 8, 16, 8, 16, 8, 16 pairwise. Fine. 99 minus 8, 91 minus 16, 75 minus 8, 67 minus 16, 51 minus 8, 43 minus 16. Hence, the missing term was 75 minus 8, 67, which was option D. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Fine. Now we are moving to question 8. 1, 5, 13, 25, question mark, 61. Now think, guys. Pause the video. Now chances very high you will be able to solve this question. Fine. What is the difference here? 4. Difference here? 8. Next difference? 12. We are finding the differences of multiple of 4. Next difference should be 16. 25 plus 16 is 41. And then next difference will be 20. 41 plus 20 is 61, which is right. Hence, the missing term was 41. We are observing the difference between consuming term is a multiple of 4. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 12, 25 plus 16, 41 plus 20. You need to find the pattern which we got here as multiple of 4. Hence 41 was the missing term, which was option B. Hence mark option B. Question 9. Again find the missing term. 117, 140, 165, 192. Missing term and 252. Fine, guys. Now when the numbers are large, very difficult to find the difference. So let us see, is this a square? What is 11 square? 11 square is 121 minus 4 gives me 117. Now 12 square is 144 minus 4 gives me 140. 13 square is 169 minus 4 gives me 165. 14 square is 196 minus 4 gives me 192. Therefore, next term should be 15 square minus 4. 15 square is 225. 225 minus 4 is 221. Hence, 221 is the missing term. Fine, guys. Now, this series was perfect square minus 4 starting from 11. 11 square minus 4, 12 square minus 4, 13 square minus 4, 14 square minus 4, and 15 square minus 4, which is 221, which is option C. As I said in my earlier lectures, you need to mug up squares till 30. Fine. Now, 252 is 16 square minus 4. 16 square is 256 minus 4, which is 252. Until unless you mug up squares, cubes, it won't strike you. Hence, mug up these squares. Now, coming to the last question, find the missing term. 4, 4, 8, 24 dash 480. Nothing, guys. Difference 0, 4, 16. That does not work here. Now 4 into 1 is 4. Now 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 into 4 should be 96. Therefore, here the missing term is 96. Now, the pattern was into 1, into 2, into 3, and so on. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24 into 4, which was 96, and 96 into 5, which is 480. Hence, 96 was a missing term. This was option B. Fine, guys. Hope you are understanding the concept of number series. Now, guys, practice. Visit Erudite Infinity, and there are more than 10,000 questions for practice spread across different chapters. Now, you need to practice questions from number series. Also, give tests because you will be getting national ranking on those tests. And all these questions are prepared by CAT experts. And what comes in CAT, similar questions are given for practice. Fine, guys. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.